Are you ready to do some spring cleaning? I am. So let's get started. I'm looking at my windowsill and it does need wiping down, but I'm also gonna get rid of my red. I'm gonna change that out, and of course y'all know where I'm going to with this. I'm going back to my pink. I thought about changing another color to another color, but I'm crushing on that pink again. Now my hubby thought he was a little smart by using this timer, you know, for your Christmas lights, and it just flicked on. This is a timer that he has hooked up to our lamps, or a lamp that we have here. And I'm looking here. We have algae on the outside of the bottom because of our hedges here that needs to be cleaned. Not only are we going to be doing an inside clean with me, but we're going to be doing the outside too, I guess, pretty soon. What I'm using to clean this with is the awesome glass cleaner. On my big window, I used the other awesome spray. Isn't that gross? This is what I'm using on my window here. Wanted to get that up above is fine, it's just down below for some reason, and my window itself is fine. Again, I have to get the outside because I see all that algae down there. We'll get that at another time, but yeah, got that done. Now behind my sofas I hide pictures, and up underneath my sofa I hide my trays, so you get a little glimpse at what's up under here and what's behind it. I don't know why he had to use a long extension cord for that timer, but that's what's behind there and will remain. So let me show you what I'm gonna do up here. Alright. You all know how much I love my Totally Dazzled bling. I'm gonna take some of my Totally Dazzled bling and place it on my window panels, all right? I was gonna use gold, but since that rod is silver, I guess I better go with silver, right? So I'm showing you, you can use Totally Dazzled in other ways in your home decor, not just for tablescapes, just to give that a little bling. So let me get the other side done. Love it. All right, let's see what's up under these cushions here. I'm may be shocked. I may be shocked at what I find. Not bad, not bad. We don't sit up here much anyway. But it's not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna vacuum it out and do the other one. Okay, the only thing I found in here, I don't know how they slid in there, are some paint samples, which I'm gonna need. I'm gonna wipe the picture down, move my ginger jars, and wipe this tray out and wipe them down as well. I'm gonna move these first though. I will remove this picture after our remodel. So we're going to have a remodel done, some work done in here. And once I get it done, I'm going to take this picture down. But for now, I'm going to leave it up. And it was dusty. Dusty, dusty, dusty. I have wiped my ginger jars down and I'm placing them back where they were until I decide to change them up. Being a little expensive, I like having them in the corner. That will ensure they won't get broken. I'm going to place this fur back on this sofa. The reason why I have it here, or will have something here, is because I lean here to open my blind in the morning. And if I continue to lean here, or if somebody else continues to lean here, this arm will be dirty. I can easily wash this or care for it instead of the arm. All right, the arm of the sofa. For my tea table, I am using the Swifter. I've been using this for years and it's very hard to find. Found this at Ollie's. It has a gain scent in it. That's what I love about it. This table is on Amazon, y'all. For I think I found it on Amazon for $78. but I found it in my local SPCA for $2.50. Brand spanking new. I'm gonna move my caddy out the way so I can clean my coffee table. I need to move the C table out the way as well so I can vacuum this rug, and my living room will be done. So now I'm gonna take the same glass cleaner and clean my table. Gonna spray some Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day room freshener, geranium scent, and I'm done. Now the pink did lighten up the space, and I'm loving going back to the pink. I'm gonna miss my red for a little bit, but I'm loving it. I'm gonna throw a few pieces, decorative pieces on here just to give me some oomph, and we're gonna call it a day, all right? Give you a new look at one of the pillows I picked up, and I'm looking for another one. How cute is this? This was found at Ross. So I'm naming this pillow, this is me and this is my hubby. So I'm going to give you a quick look at what we've accomplished today. I love having a clean and pretty much blank slate to work with so I can get my decorating done for spring. So my foyer is clean. And moving over to my living room. So have you started your spring cleaning? I'm gonna ask that every week, y'all. The comments last week, some have, some haven't. Some are moving at a slow pace, and some are really getting it done. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm taking my spring cleaning room by room. I'm also doing a little purging in the process. Some of that you maybe will see, some you won't. But yeah, I'm trying to get it done. There will be a playlist of talented creators that are participating in this collab. The link to the playlist will be listed in my description box. For those that are participating, use the hashtag here. I'll have it listed below. That will let me capture it and be able to add you to the playlist if you should have any issues. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, to ring the bell, so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed to have you as a part of the Diva family. You can follow me on all of my social media sites. We have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and I have an Amazon store you can shop on at your leisure 24/7. I have some beautiful home decor and home essentials that you would love. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Happy spring cleaning, y'all. I'll talk to you real soon. Have a blessed day.